okujja olwaleero. One more time amanya gange nze Cinderella Sanyu abasinga mumanyi nga the king herself Cindi mbayise wano olwaleero okulangirira concert yange. I started natandise okukola about a month ago, but abasinga abadde tebakimanyi, so nze ne ttiimu yange ne tusalawo nti a good way okulaunching nti I might come back after about 2 years of not releasing music. Yali badde ntukolera like a comeback concert. So kyenziza okulangirira olwaleero yamwe bali nnyo okujja okubeerawo. So concert yange egenda kubeerawo nga 15 omwezi ogwa September guno omwaka gwennyini. We've been looking at different venues, but news gwe nafunye from my team this morning was like venue eriwo enene at the moment eri gundi Kololo Airstrip right now, which is available. So the bookings have been done and we are all set for 15th of September at Kololo Airstrip.
This very year?
This very year, yeah, 2023. Yeah.
15th September, Yolo Festival ya Sheebah Mukifo Kyekimu, that's Kololo.
I heard about Sheebah ina Yolo Festival, the same event. Naye timu yange wagenzo okebera. The date was available and the venue was available. So we booked it. So ebirala simanyi. Nze kyemanyi za timu yange ya bookings and we're all set for 15th of September. Kyemba mmanye mu bintu byaffe by'endongo, it's not about what you say, it's what you do. Oyinza okulanga concert naye obanga tutaddewo sente on the venue oba tukoze ki togibookinze. So my team was early enough and the venue has been paid for, so we are all set to go.
2 years back, that was the Boom Party concert.
Yes.
At this time around,
This is a comeback concert. Nadina releasing audio and the video is coming out soon. Olwimba lwange Fire. So tubaye tu debating ane team amla tujite Fire concert or tujite just a comeback concert. So a poster was enough for me and you will have a final poster, but I wanted people to know early enough kuba obudde butono. Yeah, so njagala mmanyi.
Ekirala ku lunaku lwe lumu Mike alinayo concert.
Yes. So it's the same thing as that. Yes.
Eriwo kugatta bayimbi, so tekireetewo okubagano nti oyingiridde Michael.
Nga bwe nadde nkugamba nti olina okubeera ng'obookings. So when we went ne tubuuza ani ataddeko ssente biki, there was no booking for that event. So olunaku whoever has the only certified trade nti it has been paid for and everything, that is just my concert on the 15th of September 2023.
Tukitwala embuneno egenda kuba battle between you and Sheebah.
Just chimanyi. Nze chimanyi it's my show is going to be there. Battle. Then show. So unless otherwise it's
I don't know battling Sheebah because twamwe namtadde ekivulo on the same date, same location, mugenda kwawula mu mutya. Tenti yo tebeere eno neyo linebeere sisi mugezaako kola.
As a detail, I don't know if bwabanga ayagala take out such a challenge. You know what? Me and my team would be welcome. I would welcome a challenge. But so far, your venue badde available. Bweyabadde booking as simanyi nga bwe yakikoze. Yeah, but then wetubanga tuyitidde mu protocol, that's what has been done. I've booked the venue and I'm having the concert on that day.
Wayogerako ne management ya Sheebah kuba bo baali ba ebintu byabwe byafuma mabegako. Namambuno this morning mwafunye timu yageze nekebera nga is available. Wayogerako nabo.
Nali setaga kwogera nabo. Bwe ntuuka mu kifo as a businesswoman nga kiri available nze ngenda kibookinga. I don't need to consult you because you're not my business partner. So nze bwe ntuukawo nga it's not bangamba muna baleka balina akabadde akaabwe, but me I'm booking the venue because business is business.
Tetuyingidde olutalo lwe twawulira lwali ku Sereni, engumi yali enyoseeri kati tugeze mu lutalo lwa kifo kwekuma.
Nedda simanyi, maybe along the way, maybe unless ngasaze wanti agenda take our challenge. Naye for now si bwe kiri.
Cindi, kino tulaba kiyitiridde mu music industry. Okutegekera events ennaku zezimu. Because ffe tulaba tukyaliweera ku Alien Skin, Palazzo, this time around it's you and Sheebah. Kati kyekifuuse trend yeeriwo kati.
I think mu byawule ekya Palazzo ne Alien Skin was actually very different. You know, ne story engeri gye playing out biki, it was really different. Alien Skin yamanya. He knew and the show was well advertised and everything, and he said I'm going to do a versus because of what happened, rivalry aliwo. Kati eyafe story CM in any business wabera competition, and competition is healthy. So it shouldn't be such a bad thing to value competition in the music industry.
Ekyenjaga okubuuza nti tukiriza, you're not just an artist, you're a dancer.
Yes.
Wakazaala. Eno concert togipapiza nti you need to get back in shape, you need to go to gym. Ate concert is boom party yakushingibwa luyimba. Nti lwali nyumba.
Yes.
Kati tewali luyimba obadde tokola music. So ogenda kikola otya? Are you going to give the fans your best?
Yeah, definitely. Every time Cindi steps on the stage, the fans know that I'm always giving my best. I give more than 100% every time. Anyone doubting, I know kujja kushakolechi achirabe nenganze newuli ampuliranga my body is ready, my voice is ready, my whole team is ready to do this show. So we're going to do it. And then about having a song, I think Brandia, the king herself, yaita wao ku levels ezo nti nina okulanga oluyimba okulanga show. Now people trust the brand, whether there's music or no music. It's just about Cindi, and someone will come and watch Cindi, whether it's old music or new music. From my side, that is how we feel, and that's how we are doing the show. Try to know engeri launching Cindi back into the industry nga tetukiraba. We didn't do, and we have to do it in a big way, and for us that is the perfect place to chikola.
Abantu abasinga tebalowooza embunno luno lugenda balutalo wakati wo ne Sheebah kubanga muvudde mabegako eri emabega era nga bigambo bingi mulinga batakwatagana. Jjukira ali mu federation ate gwe oli president ene eri vice president. Abantu tebakitwala embunno muteekawo olutalo lwa ddala.
Olutalo si lubi, you understand? Having a battle is not a bad thing. Olutalo lo si lubi kasita most Kubanzi and Sheebah would never physically exchange blows, because that would be bad. Violence is not good. But olutalo lwa industry, olutalo lwa now or business is not a bad thing, because ba consumer bafunamu, you know, companies wazirwanagana. That means the quality air product ebe inogenda wabulu if they are fighting. So the battle situation is actually not a bad one. Yes, so bwebanga weri mwali badde musanyuka, you know, it would be a good thing for it to happen. It's not a bad thing.
Asinga kijanga Cindi naye nga Sheebah naye ya booking ne bakwata ntyo n'ogiteeke no neeri ona olirwedde okumukuba endongo.
Ekyo sikirinako buzibu kuva dda. You understand? I've never had an issue having a battle with Sheebah, not just her, but any female artist in this country. Sirinako buzibu yadde. So when tubeera with such a situation, I will accept.
Olowooza onaamusobola mu ndongo?
Naawe namusobola dda. Namusobola dda. Yes, I'm very sure that she knows that. She knows that. There has to be a separation between the children and the women. Ekyo kirina okubeerawo. But
There has to be what?
kiyiseewo. Yeah, so that has always, there's no competition there, nothing to fear. And then anytime that happens, I welcome the challenge any year, any day, and so on. But today it's about Cindi Biebe, about my concert on the 15th of September. And we're doing Lugogo S. I mean, sorry, I'm so used to Lugogo. Kololo Airstrip.
What details the concert in charges?
Yes.
Bani abakwerekeddeko, any other details?
No, I think I want you to await that information. Right now, Chenjaga Tambuze Checho. Yeah, that I'm having a concert.
Cindi, tulinamu obuzibu nti mulimu abayimbi abamu nga wakola nabo kolabo na likes of Mudra. Bwe mutuuka mule mutadde mu kifo kyekimu oli naye n'alemerako nti tugendagenda mu kifo kyekimu oli oba wataddeyo nange nnyo okubeerawo naye nagale already naye yabuki mugenda kikola mutya?
We'll work with the organizers, I guess. Ng'omuyimbi onokikola nga bw'ojjukira nti the last time Sheebah yalina concert eya Spice n'abeera n'eya munne Yakabako, and she managed to actually juggle nakola zombi. So artists yenna ayagala okulonda side oba ayagala fembi, to be better for you to organize yourself n'ojja mu show zombi and support both artists.
Same venue.
Juka bino bya same venue, venue zali za njawulo.
Lwaki muga anti concert eri mu same venue? Ani abagamba
ya booking.
Agomanyo ati ya booking.
Alaga n'abayimbi abasasula abamu agenda okumuyimbira ko tekana ye water bay.
No, it's a professional business. So booking abito you not take a sente ku table. You understand? So if there's no money and I find that there's no money and the event it's a good date, mbanja jikutwala.
Kugamba yeti yateeka mu sente.
Clear.
Last concert twalaba wagyekwatiramu after sponsors ditched you.
Yes.
It was a success.
Rephrase.
Okay, after
yeah, I didn't get sponsors for that show.
You didn't
I had sponsors, but there were few sponsors. What happened with my Boom Party concert is I had the money to run that concert. So I didn't have the time to run around looking for sponsors. I used my resources to do it. And the sponsors who could come in at that short notice. Yes. So I was not really ditched by anyone.
To Suvire, but sponsor this time round.
But sponsor Njagala, from this, what you're going to do, I am calling out to sponsors to reach out. Yes. I don't like begging sponsorship. I don't like doing that. Most of the time, whether I get a sponsor or I don't get a sponsor, it will happen. Yeah.
Are we doing karaoke way? We're doing live band way?
This are the king herself. Definitely, music must be live.
Luno si lutalo wakati wa federation ne wuma.
No, that just nothing
vice
to
president,
do
ate goli ono president.
Kutegeera kivula tewali competition.
Tewali competition.
Yeah, because if you're going to take it that side, it has to be president and president.
It
can't be president and vice.
Wankole as musician federation association. Yakola association eyiye.
Yeah. Kati association ebaddewo wiki 3 tesobola kubisanya na association ebaddewo emyaka 8. You understand? It's unfair. So that cannot happen neither. So competition teri bwekyo neither.
Lwaki olowooza nti tewali muyimbi mukyala asobola kubatolinga musically in Uganda?
Sirowooza nkimanyi because ngaba artist okay, munaye munjogera ne mufaananya ng'omuntu omubi naye ng'ekituufu mukimanyi.
Because omuntu yeetaaga akimanyi ali eyo.
Ne ba female artist bakimanyi, teri atamanyi.
Because omuntu alaba Sheebah ng'alaba akubye endongo. Alina zibayina moosi, alina zaani akubye n'alowooza nti endongo agiina naye bw'ogaa tasobola kubatolinga.
Omanyi ffenna tuli baakabi nga tuli fekka. Buli omu bw'aba mu kingdom eyiye wakabi. Until they put you versus somebody else wotegeera weaknesses zo kitegeera. So a lot of female artists have been watching me perform and I watch them perform and they know there's just no battle out. Babeerawo support for each other, but an actual battle, song for song, performance for performance, tebaawo with the king herself.
If you talk about Sheebah's performance,
it's interesting to watch. She's very entertaining.
Yes,
absolutely. She's very entertaining. Yes. Bobby Gatawamu byonna, a little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Buli omu bw'aba ayimba abaako kyasinga okukola. Ki kyasinga okukola? Kuyimba, kuzina?
Ani?
Sheebah.
Mulinga abatamulaba.
Kati gwe bino biruddemu
you have to look at the industry. A lot of the female artists cannot really sing, but a lot of the female artists dress really well. By mibiri bagifuddeko tijeka bulungi nasobola okubanga asobola okutwakinga okukona dance nabuzabuza embeera bwatyo ne binyumirayo okitegeera. A lot of female artists baliwe batyo. So female artists like me nti asobola okuyimba nti asobola live and then they can dance and then they can perform. We are very few. So we are dealing with an industry which is like that. So it is okay, and it moves the industry every day. So it's the little effort that they contribute to the industry.
So in short term, we got to dance.
Sikitegere ekintu ekyo. Ani agezaako kukola ki? I miss Grace Nachimera. I miss her because she could sing. She could perform. She could put up a really good show and live, Dalina we are with just the drums and her voice, and it was powerful, it was amazing. I miss her. And there's never been anyone after that who can really level up. Yeah, Karokasita mwana wange. I don't compete with kids. No. I nurtured her, I raised her into the amazing artist that she is right now, and that's amazing. I cannot just start competing with her. No, I can't do that. But Inwaji is good. She's also a young brand compared to me.
If you have to give percentage between you and Sheebah, use more percentage. In terms of percentage.
Percentage. She seems that you understand? No, let's look at what she's amazing at. She's amazing as a businesswoman.
Tuli ku music.
Ogambye byonna.
Last time wamugamba tajaleta nyumba ku stage.
Tusoose ebirungi. She's an amazing businesswoman. The little talent that she has built it into an empire.
You call it little?
Yes, it's very little. You have to respect that. You have to respect the fact that omuntu aze with something small, n'akigeza nekifuuka ekyakabi, and that everyone should respect that. A lot of women have so much talent, much more than her. Nenga sente takoze eki alemedde okukola business out of it. So the little that she has created an empire out of it, and that I respect. Yeah, but that's pretty much it.
Then music percentage. Music percentage.
Tubireke.
Ne abayimbi ba female artists, aba male artists, ba female. Toba vodde mu ngeri emu obenda kugagowe fudde kabejja.
I'm with them. You know, I'm with the artists all the time. Na buli omu alina levels. Yeah, we chill together, we chimu tukikola fenna naye nga buli omu alina level.
Kati gwe tukukomparinge na basirindi yoni bali wakati wano katuveewo wantu wali akusobola kale. Katukomparinge ne bali basirindi yoni.
Tugende mu style gyenkola mu raga, katubina Lady So, Tanya Stevens, Oshtegera, people like that. Yeah, I mean let's go there. Let's go to Spice. And people like that, let's go there. There I have a chance, you know, there's a chance of competition.
Madam President, I want to put this clear. Ogam, you don't compete with children. So, Sheebah mwana.
Yeah, she's a child. Yatandika, by the time she started singing, I'd gone solo about 5 years before. So for me, definitely, abali mwana. I nurtured Sheebah, I wrote her first song. You understand? So I cannot compete with my children. Kunyenyeza, it's called Ngenda Kunyenyeza. I wrote that song. Nangenda naye mu studio na buli kimu tukolagenda ne Washington. You understand? I nurtured her for a whole year.
So tulowooza nti be bayimbi abagenda okwerekerako.
Wanji?
Abamu ku bayimbi abagenda okwerekerako.
Abaana bo.
List y'abayimbi abagenda okumperekerako ngenda gifulumya. At the moment sagala jogerako.
How do you feel nga abaana boyambye bakwesimba mu bakuba endongo baagala okukuba endongo?
Tewali anneesimbyemu.
Waliwo Sheebah yakwewaanako nga yagala bate.
Yagityana mukimanyi yalemera okuneesimbamu. You understand? So siina nneesimbyemu bonna baatya bamanyi nti kati mami bw'ayogera.
Cindi tolowooza
ku kifo kye essaawa zino wajja n'agamba engeri gy'ogenze ku kifo gye yalangirira edda essaawa zino wajja n'agamba naye kati tetwagala concert tukole battu.
I am welcoming a challenge any day. You understand? If it's good for business and it's a good show for the fans, I am open to it any day.
Olowooza bate beegenda kubeera etya?
Kiba kigenda kuba kika. Naye balina okugatirako bannendo.
Oyagala bakuba kaganda.
Cindi tolowooza nti no federation since ali mu federation eri nti no egenda kudi campaigninga.
Yeah, I mean, I expect negativity anytime. Bobanga, any artist, not just me. Bofulumye ekintu obeera oside ekola ki etakwagaliza wali oside ekwagaliza. So ekyo all the time manchisuubira. Yes, but I'm hoping as a federation we're supporting buli omu because they are here kugata ki kugata bayimbi. Tebaali yawudde.
Fina avuddeyo leero ng'awanda naawe kyekyo.
Buli omu atuddewo we wangi.
Nga bwogeze mu kifo kya Sheebah. Sheebah asinga kunyumira nga akuba live oba nga ali
ku CD.
Lwaki Sydney?
Because we were clear, you understand? We were clear. Bwakola CD, it's smooth. So temuli potholes, temuli cheese, like a smooth path.
Okay. I think when it comes to Spice Diana, live or CD?
Spice Diana is a good balance. It's a good balance. She's trying both ends. Yeah, and that's what I have to say. But Sheebah is more entertaining than Spice Diana. You understand? She's more entertaining to watch.
Sheebah is more karaoke. Monjogerayo.
Omuntu ayagala Bato John alina goberera mitendera ki?
Omuntu ayagala Bato John nange, you need to look at how big the brand is, how long it has been there. If you can compete with that, then we can talk. If you cannot, then we cannot. Tetusobola kwogera. Naye bw'oba ng'oyagala kwekuba essasi jangu.
Kwesimba. Agala okwekuba essasi yeesimbe mu ndongo.
Aha, kiriya. Netukola ki? Netukolagana. Mpozi nga kikyuse, but that's what I think.
Abaliyo baddukayo.
Abaliwa.
Federation. Adduseeyo leero. Masanyalaze.
Sekuritalewo.
Njagala mmanya nti ndi musanyufu nnyo nnyo okuba nti Fiina yakomyewo mu Mukuma. I'm very happy. Ekifo kye ekya secretary tewali yabadde akoze eki akituddemu. So bw'abanga akomyewo aba akomyewo in the same position gy'abaddemu bulijjo. So I'm very happy.
Botunula federation eyo olowooza muyimbi kyalinga ayimbayimba muko bw'osobola okubeerako awo n'oyimba
Sinnamanya bayimbi ki bonna mbw abali
kuba ku president paka kuba kukiira wansi ku lukiiko.
But Kenzo already is a good artist. I mean, he's certified worldwide. So oyo omulaba.
Sheebah.
N'abalala gye bali tutambuza industry fenna abakabi n'abatali, you know, aba live aba karaoke fenna tutambuza industry every day.
Waliyo n'abakaraoke. Bebafaanana batya.
Mukimanyi ekyo. Mukimanyi mundeke.
Zino shote zigenda kubeera between Federation and Women.
Lutalo wakati wa Cindi na Sheebah. Lutalo Alangiride wakati wo ne Sheebah. Luvudde mu bigambo luzze mu kifo Alangiride.
No, the challenge is welcome. The challenge is welcome. But at the moment waliyo show nga ya Cindi nga 15 September ku Kololo Airstrip. Balugo gwe bateri available. Yeah, so that is the place we have. It's big enough. Try getting a production team na buli kimu, everyone is all set.
King Mike omukoze
Luli ya lutya lunanga
ko abantu be bwabanga ayina concert na kubanze we nabuuza bali talina booking jataddeko ku sente. So bwabanga ayina kya booking ze naye ajja bafuna. Abantu e Uganda tuli bangi. Buli omalange to the best of their ability buli omaja funa abantu.